Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to introduce you this machine, 400 by 600 working area single head machine, and assembled with twin sequin and one color loose bead device, and also the easy cording device. One head, 12 needles with Dahao computer. Before we operate the machine, we have to make sure we thread the sequin device and add enough bead on the device. The bead is simple. You only need to add enough bead in the bead device, and it's automatically. And as for the twin sequin, we will show you how to thread it. Firstly, we will thread the sequin device. We will thread the first one. Put it inside the gap. And then there is a clock. Move the clock to make the sequin went through. This is for cut the actual sequin. And here is the clock. And this is the clock for the second sequin. Now we will thread the second sequin. Put the sequin inside the gap. And then open the clock here. Open condition. And then put through the sequin. Move this part to make a sequin go forward. And then cut the actual sequin. After you thread the sequin well, you have to lock these two device well, like this. Now we have threaded the sequin well and make the beads ready. We will operate the computer. Firstly, we need to choose a bead design we want to embroider. And then we come to the color change. Set the color we want it to be. The 10 color is sequin and bead embroidery, so we have to choose 12 needle here. After we finish choosing color, we come to the fourth step. Firstly, we need to choose the red frame. After you choose frame, the machine will move automatically. And then we adjust the frame position to make the design in the proper position. And then we check border to see which position the design will be embroidered. After that, we can press start button and make the machine start embroidery. This is the design combine the flat embroidery, bead embroidery, and the sequin embroidery. Flat embroidery is the first step, so this machine will begin with the flat embroidery. After the twin sequin and bead embroidery, we will show you how to use the cording embroidery. Firstly, we need to thread the cord. Put the cord on the cording device. Now we thread the cording well and come to the computer operation. Firstly, we need to choose the cording design. And then change the design direction. If no need to change the direction or design size, jump this step. And then this step is for choosing color, but you see, we assemble the cording device on the first needle. So here we choose first color. And then we make the machine to working condition. And we choose the frame. Confirm the frame we choose. Then the machine will move automatically. After that, we adjust the position to adjust the design to a proper position you want it to be. After that, we check a border to see whether the design is in the right position you want. If not at the position you want, you can adjust again and check border again. After we finish these settings, we can press start button and make the machine start working. After finish, we will cut the cording. And then we get a beautiful cording embroidery.